Hey guys, welcome back again to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. To my returning viewers, thank you so much for the engagement so far. So today we are going to be making another beautiful hairstyle for my baby girl. Her name is Jessica and we fondly call her Jessie. So we are going to be making another cute hairstyle for Jessie that is suitable for toddlers. So the hairstyle we are going to make today is a very simple and easy hairstyle for toddlers. It's just like normal pop hairstyle for babies, but because her hair is long, I have to put it into braids, and I went ahead to do about three cornrows in the front part of the hair just to make it a little bit creative. And after that, I added some accessories like colorful butterfly clippings for her on the hair, and I also used rubber bands to hold the hair before I now put it into braids. It's just a cute hairstyle that anybody can do. It's super easy to make and it fits all babies, and it takes a little time to achieve this. So you guys, while we make the hair, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you for the views, the likes and the subscriptions. Thank you so much. But I would like to ask you for a little favor. Please like this video and also turn on your post notifications in order to be notified whenever we drop a new video. May God bless you as you do so. Thank you. After doing the cornrows, I used the rubber band to secure it. Then I joined it with the other hair at the back of it, and I braided it together. I'm done doing the hair now, and I'm using my shine and jam gel and a brush to define the edges. We are now done with the hairstyle, and you can see how beautiful baby girl is looking. Let me know what you think in the comments about this hairstyle. Will you be trying it out? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.